We're learning more about the efforts to expand vaccinations in the state of Indiana. Yesterday, state health officials announced Meijer, Kroger, and Walmart would be joining those efforts.
Fox 59's Courtney Spinelli actually talked with the three retailers today. She has more on their distribution plan.
We have a lot of work still ahead of us.
Several weeks after the vaccine rollout in Indiana, more than 475,000 Hoosiers have already received their first dose. And now 3 major retailers are joining in on the efforts to vastly increase that number.
Meijer, Kroger, and Walmart have either begun offering vaccine or are preparing to do so at select stores throughout the state.
This week, Walmart began administering the vaccine at 10 locations across Indiana. Eligible Hoosiers can sign up through the state's website and schedule their vaccination appointment.
We've been preparing for this vaccine as long as we've been going through this pandemic.
Right now, Maria Braden says the state determines the number of doses that will be allocated at each Walmart location.
And that's really going to be dependent on what the demand is in the area and what the state is actually allocated.
Meijer also began its efforts this week in Indiana.
We're thrilled to be named a partner by the state of Indiana to administer COVID vaccines.
13 of Meijer's 39 locations in Indiana have started holding clinics to offer the vaccine to those eligible. Registering for an appointment at Meijer is a bit different.
Text COVID to 75049 or go to clinic.meijer.com.
And finally, 45 Kroger locations in Indiana are now vaccination locations.
Because of the distribution of our stores, we're able to reach a lot of people very easily and conveniently in a fashion that maybe the state can't do right now.
And Kroger's website allows you to check eligibility and sign up to get your shot. Reporting in Indianapolis, Courtney Spinelli, Fox 59 News.
Courtney, thank you. State health officials do say they are sticking with an age-phased plan, right now at least. The focus is vaccinating people ages 70 and older, but they do hope eligibility will open up within the next week to Hoosiers ages 65 to 69.